Today, in our School of Craftsmanship, under the inquisitive eyes of young students, a six-cylinder Lexus RX 350 engine comes back to life. Step by step, the master prepares the cylinder head gaskets, carefully punching the necessary holes in the gasket, and installs them between the block and the cylinder heads. The surfaces are cleaned with gasoline and even a toothbrush, real precision, even at home. The cylinder head mounting bolts are tightened until a characteristic crack is heard. Then the water pump is installed, then the camshafts and the old timing chain. The tensioners are secured, and soon the intake manifold with injectors is installed. The engine looks whole again with the timing cover and valve cover screwed on. Finally, the moment of truth. The engine is lowered back into the car. Everything is connected, the key is turned, and the Lexus roars to life. Party Popper, the repair was successful, and the RX 350 is almost ready to hit the road again. Backhand index pointing right, what do you think? How long will this engine last after such a repair? Share your opinion in the comments.